What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil. I'm also going to go through USCOCOA today as we got some good moves out of USCOCOA. And before I continue, let me confirm two things. Number one, I do not sell any reports on Telegram channel. If you have got any messages on Telegram channel pretending to be me, then be careful with that. The only Telegram channel is right here, as you can see, and it is linked in my YouTube videos description, from where you can join my Telegram channel. I do not sell any reports via bots here on Telegram channel. If you want to get access to my reports, it is either through my website, which is moneymarkers.uk. Scroll down here, you can get access to your reports and all these plans, or just via third-party website, which is, if you click on memberships here on my website, or if you click on the link in the description where you will see buy me a coffee page, here you get all these reports and subscriptions. Do not buy the subscription till 30th of November, as I'm still running Friday offer here on my website. So if you want to get a lifetime plan, it is right here with a Friday off promo, 40% off on a premium plan. With that, you get these two plans for free. So make sure you are at the right place and be careful with the scammers. Second thing, I do send market reports free for you on my Telegram channel with a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the Market Watch page, download report, and you will see a report like this here on USCOCOA that was sent a week ago. And as you can see, the description here, that was my analysis, and we had some good moves out of USCOCOA. So I'm going to go through that in a second. So let's begin our analysis, starting with natural gas. What to expect from here? So as you can see here on Owanda, the price has now hit the level of major resistance. Right here, we do have one more major resistance, which is quite higher, but that is also a good level from where we have seen a good sell off. So simply, if you're looking at your entries on 4 hour, I want to see green and a red bearish engulfing candle, something like this. If that's a swing high, that is even a better entry. But bearish engulfer is something I would like to see. Or double top pattern, I want to see in this area, something like this. If you move down to 1 hour time frame, we are getting a swing high bearish engulfing pattern. Now, the ATR is very small on 1 hour time frame. So according to the ATR, it is 3. So $3 move is, I'm expecting a pullback from here before the price will push down. Or you can go for the bigger targets, which is once this candle is closed, must close as a bearish engulfer. Keep a stop loss above the wick, and you can always go 1-to-1 as well. That is something on a smaller time frame. If you're looking at 1 hour time frame. Now, if you're looking at your entries on a daily time frame, if you're someone who's looking for a high time frame entries, we are getting a possible double top pattern on daily time frame as well. That looks something like this. Now, on a daily time frame, for me, it is very important to look for the red bearish candle, bearish engulfer, or inverted hammer 382 candle. That is something I'm looking at on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, if we have that move, we can see a dramatic push down, can be till 20 or 50 EMA. So that is what I'll be looking at on all the time frames. These are the entry conditions I'll be looking at. We are now in a selling area. I'm not expecting a price to give us some good pullback. Now, let's say there is no entry condition. After this big pullback, I'm still bullish long term. We are just gonna capture this pullback and cut our profits once we see an entry condition, followed by bullish engulfer. We're gonna go long from here. So that is what I'll be looking at, bearish straight from here above 50 EMA. If we have a bullish signal, we're going to enter buy it. It's very simple. Keep looking for these signals. Now here on capital.com, exactly the same. We are getting a possible major double top pattern. Now we had a move right here. That was something mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now if you scroll down to 1 hour time frame, if you look here, we had a valid double top pattern right here with a bearish candle, and that nicely pushed down. If you look at this ATR on 1 hour time frame, that is 20 points, and price nicely pushed down. How many points? 60 points. So that is something we can take our entries on 1 hour time frame. Now coming back on 4 hour and on 1 hour as well, you see that is not a valid bearish engulfer. We are getting a valid bearish engulfer here on Owanda. But that is also a kind of evening star pattern. If you wish to take it, that's totally up to you. Or with this red candle, that is also a valid major double top. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss above. Take profit can be 1-to-1 easily. And again, with a pullback, if we have a good push down, we have a bullish signal, I'm going to go long. Now next, buy entry, the continuation, either above 50 EMA with a bullish engulfer, or if we have a candle that closes above this high. In that case, let's say we have a push up. In that case, price will give us a signal that we are now getting towards the next major level of resistance. So that is what I'll be looking at for now. You're just looking for sell trades with the condition I've just mentioned, buy above 50 EMA. On NEMEX as well, exactly the same. We are now inside a double top area. A red candle will be a signal that price is going to push down, give us some good pullbacks from here. On 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we are getting a possible bearish engulfing pattern. If you're someone who want to go for a quick scalp, which is something like this, by keeping a stop loss above and take profit, can be 1-to-1 easily. And next buy trade will only happen above 50 EMA or 20 EMA with a bullish signal or above this high. Next up we have gold. Gold has now fallen down to the level of support. Now it is not a major level, it is a very minor level, and I like to see my entries on 1 hour time frame, which is a possible double bottom pattern. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark my rejection zone something like this, and I will wait till the price forms a bullish candle, green candle, or a bullish engulfer or inverted hammers. Looking at the fact it is a minor level, that is why I would like to enter in a less aggressive way, which is my double bottom entry pattern. Now if you're someone who like to take a risk, that is an entry. Now let me tell you something, it's going to be risky entry. It can hit your stop loss because that's a minor level. It might not hold, but that could be an entry as well. By keeping a stop loss below and take profit, you can go 1-to-1 if you are an aggressive trader. Take your trades on your own risk. It's just my opinion, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. So that's what I'll be looking at, expecting a bounce from here and then a possible bearish condition, and then I'm expecting a price to push down in the long term. So expect a bounce and then a continuation towards the downside, and the bounce is something we need to capture for our profits. Next up we have silver. Silver is now pushing down and heading towards a level of minor support. So we have a minor support which is 29.70 goes to 30.07, from where we can see a possible bounce out of. For now we are above the support, and we can still see a push up, could be a retest of this level again, which is 31.42, followed by bearish engulfer. If we have that, we're going to go short. Or let's say we have a pullback, bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, we're going to go short. So only sell trades for silver with a pullback followed by bearish condition. Next up we have crude oil. We are still not inside the double bottom area, so wait for the price to come down to this double bottom area. Now all I'm waiting for the price to come down to this zone, form some sort of bullish signal, bullish engulfer, pin bar, or 382 candle. And once we have that, we'll have a very good double bottom major pattern, and in that case I'll keep my stop loss below and take profit can be 1-to-1. So wait for the price to come down in this area and forms a good valid condition to take your long trades. Finally, we have USCOCOA. Right here we have a good breakout. Now this was the zone report that was sent to my members and also in my free Telegram channel. Right here, as you can see on your screen, clearly mentioned that I'll be observing this market for the breakout with a full analysis. A breakout above the resistance line is a confirmation that we have a potential buying opportunity, and entry strategies are the less aggressive entries recommended, with a breakout above resistance followed by retest and a formation of bullish pattern, or retest itself is a confirmation. Now let me show you. We had a breakout, we had a retest, we had a bullish candle. Exactly how we predicted. Right here, entry strategies, breakout forming a bullish engulfing pattern. So what do you see here? Breakout forming a bullish engulfing pattern. The analysis was sent on a daily time frame, and we have an entry on daily time frame as well. Looking at 4 hour time frame, we do have a good morning star pattern right at the level of resistance, and that nicely pushed up, and that is what we call patience and taking the trades with conditions. So now we are heading towards a level of resistance which is right here. I'm expecting a price to head to this level which is right here. 7900 goes up to 8078. Once the price reaches this area, we can see some good pullbacks. Right here, I've just readjusted the zones. Once we have a pullback, and if a price form good bullish candle, we can see another price push higher. So that's what I'll be looking at. Expect a push down from this resistance area. Look for your buying entry above 50 EMA. Once we're broken above these highs, the price of USCOCOA will turn completely bullish. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.